Hi there, pastelers. We're going to be drawing a landscape with chalk pastel like you see here. It's going to be very layered and I think you'll love it. So to start with, we're going to get a piece of pastel paper, and if you feel it, you can feel it has a texture on it, and that's called the tooth of the paper. It's got a texture. And so to start with, we're going to do our usual first and last name on the back of our paper. Either side can be the back, your table number, and your hour. All right, so to do this, you are going to take your sulfite paper. This is your pastel paper with the tooth. And you're going to take the sulfite paper and rip it. Don't try to rip it flat. And we're going to rip it the long way. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top here. Our first guy here. All right. So I'm going to just draw some blue along here like that. And then I'm going to massage it onto my paper. You'll notice that I still have my torn paper on the pastel paper. I'm not moving the paper off, and I'm just massaging it onto the paper. All right, and there's that one. So now I'm going to change it. So let's do it this way now. So let's pick a different blue color. All right. There we go. And massage it like so. And it looks like I need a little more. There we go. And now I'll take a different one. All right, here we go. I'm just going to draw that along there and massage it, holding the paper on the pastel paper. I don't want the pastel paper to be bare. I want it to have the sulfite on it while I rub, because it's basically a stencil. There we go. Now I'm going to turn it over, use this color, and massage it. Okay, don't take the paper off. Leave that paper on. Look at that. All right. Now let's look at some of these other examples that we have. All right, so this one, too much pastel. Too much pastel. This one, not doing the technique at all. This one, we're getting there, but we started doing it down here and we're rubbing, maybe they're going like this. We want to be rubbing up. Okay, this one, I don't know. It looks like maybe we've over rubbed a little bit. This one, really too much pastel. Okay, this should be a light, kind of airy look to it. It shouldn't have a ton of pastel on it. It should just have enough so that you get this feel, this kind of light feel, because you can overdo pastel. So here we're just using a stencil, and we're just doing different colors. Now, do I have to do blue in the sky? No, I don't have to do blue in the sky.